What is going on, my Safemoon fam, my Safemoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming at you with another Safemoon video for today. I hope everyone had an awesome 4th of July with family and with loved ones, and I hope you guys had all the delicious foods. Today we're just gonna go ahead and cover over some Safemoon news. We'll go over the pricing for today, we'll go over some Reddit posts, and then a couple Twitter posts. Just a special thank you to everyone out there who has already subscribed. We did break the 3,000 mark in officially just 27 days. So thank you to everyone out there. With that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below, as it does help the YouTube algorithm promote this channel to other Safemoon holders such as yourselves and other potential Safemoon holders now that we have a bridge to other blockchains. And with that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and take you guys into the flight deck. Let's dive right on into the Bitcoin prices. Let's refresh this. Bitcoin is down 4.83% today. And you guys already know, I'm going to show you my favorite picture of the big turtle, which is Bitcoin and what the other coins do. And you guys already know this, but Bitcoin is the big kahuna of the cryptocurrency space. Wherever it goes, the other cryptos are normally following and playing sympathy to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is up, normally the other cryptos are up as well. If Bitcoin is down, the other cryptos are down as well. So Bitcoin hovering at the 33,000 mark. We'll see if it can hold true to the 30,000 support level. And let's take a look at Safemoon. Safemoon today is down 5.11%. We are trying to hang on to the 3.0 support level. We will see if it can bounce off of it. I mean, it is really right there on the 3.0 support. So if it goes down to the 2.9s, it might break right through that support level. And there we go. So we are at 2.998. For the newbie investors, the newbie venture capitals, that is always scary to see. But for your more seasoned, more experienced traders, this is always exciting for us because one, at lower prices, we go through burn much quicker. We're burning through tokens much quicker. The dollar goes much further when it is at its current price rather than when it's more expensive. It's more difficult to burn those tokens. Two, it is a sale price for us, so we know the value and what the potential of Safemoon can be down the road. So the lower the prices, the more excited we are because we just get the prices at a much lower rate. So we will just hang on to Safemoon at 2.998. We'll continue to monitor it. Just be excited, guys. Don't feel fearful. Just be excited at these current prices. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take this video as financial advice. This is meant for education and entertainment purposes only. But if you have a few spare dollars, go ahead and I would buy some Safemoon. I love seeing it and the twos because when I had originally bought in my astronauts, I had bought in at the zeros and a 6. And when it gets back up to the 6, I have almost tripled my money if it continues down on the 2s, the lower end of the 2s. Obviously at the high end of the 2s, if it gets back to the 6s, I'll almost double my money, give or take. So I'm always excited when it's at these low prices because I just want to put more money into it. Now, again, it is my responsibility and to use this platform to tell you guys to exercise caution. Do not be reckless. Do not sacrifice money that is meant for food on the table or a roof over your guys' head. Just if you have a few spare dollars that you are okay to lose, whether you were going to go out and get coffee or splurge and get dinner, and if not, just go ahead and put that towards Safemoon. Look, we're already up at the 3036, so let's go. Moving on over to Reddit, the battle between Binance and Safemoon continues. We can see that Safemoon has definitely been fed up with Binance. Again, I don't normally like to go over clashes like this, but it is worth obviously covering and making everyone informed. Safemoon is now spearheading Binance publicly on Twitter, saying, you know, this is CZ's response pretty much to cover himself on his tweet yesterday about, hey, what should we list next? And then Safemoon said, or what can we improve on? And Safemoon said, not listing Safemoon. And so CZ came out right away with, I'm not in charge of the listing, but Binance should list blank. And Safemoon still replied publicly, and obviously here's our official check mark of verified. This will get more likes than your own tweet. That says a lot about who you should list to the moon. And if we verify here, this tweet was Safemoon had 28.9 thousand likes. The actual tweet from CZ had 18.2 thousand likes. Yeah, I mean, the Safemoon army, the Safemoon team, I can tell has had it. They've had enough of Binance and all the shadiness they're pulling on the back end. Safemoon is doing what they can. The army's doing what they can to kind of shed light on the shadiness that they're pulling, like not listing us, not correctly ranking us. It's just a whole bunch of craziness that hopefully we will just, it's a matter of time because we're working on our own blockchain anyways. So it's only a matter of time till we're off of Binance's blockchain and doing our own thing. And I really think we'll surpass Binance anyways. I do believe that. Here is something that I just appreciate because I always tell you guys, I have a very technical / engineering kind of mind. Where I do lack is the creativity portion of my brain. And so when I see stuff like this, I can't help but just appreciate it because I'm not very creative myself. So when I see neat colors, hashtag Safemoon army, I love this. I can always appreciate really good art. When I travel to different places, what I like to do is I like to get local street art and then I take it back because it's something that I can appreciate because it is something that I personally lack. I don't have a creative mind, so I like it when I see other people being creative. So whoever did this, I absolutely love it. 2 thumbs up from RJ. This is a nice post that I want to just show because it's really about the law of attraction and manifesting and letting things speak itself into the universe without getting too deep and too crazy into it. But let's read this post. If you're able to read this comment now and again in 2025, congratulations. It will mean you first read this post at the beginning of something big. You held through all the FUD, growth, and years of waiting and are still part of the Safemoon family 4 years later. You are now a millionaire. Gambia is thriving along with other African nations. We did it. You did it. Congratulations, my brothers and sisters. Manifest this post into the universe, guys, because it is things that not only myself, but obviously hundreds of thousands, if not millions of you guys out there believe, or else you wouldn't be holding Safemoon. Manifest this post because like I keep telling you guys, I'm going to continue using this platform for positive vibes, and I'm positively telling you that I better be seeing you guys on this yacht party in the Bahamas, in Atlantis, and it's gonna happen. Here is a post that I kind of want to read and make sure people are understanding what is happening here in case there are, like I said, there's newbie investors, newbie cryptocurrency traders, and then there's more experienced traders. But there are some people in the middle sometimes that are kind of teetering, whether they're scared or they know they want to hold, but they're still kind of scared. All right, so this is a quick word for everyone. A quick word on the whale sale. Going to be super quick, super digestible. Whales sell slowly because the liquidity pool and the mathematics that govern it would not allow them to get the full value of their coins if they sold all at once. The bear market is undercutting the whales as they try to siphon, so they keep agreeing to worse deals. They'll make it up in reflections because their current shares are huge. All holders are reaping more tokens per volume, meaning greater gains on future price ascents. Liquidity is down due to enormous whale sell-offs. Certic and Skynet have not reported suspicious fund withdrawals from the PCS liquidity. Your investment value is currently low, but good things are happening for those who are holding long term. And project a positive future for Safemoon. I have been echoing this a long time, video after video. If you guys watch me every single video, then I will sound like a broken record player, but I still have to cover it for anyone that's new, right? I'm telling you guys that I believe to my very core that Safemoon will take off. It's going to change many lives, not only for a country of Gambia, but for the future, the early investors, the early adopters, and your early venture capitalists, little people such as me and you that put in X amount of money, and we are now owning parts of history in the making. So I love echoing stuff like this, and I truly believe in Safemoon. Let's take it to the moon. Watcher Guru, again, this was my responsibility, and I feel like I'm obligated to make sure you guys are doing your part and voicing, if you guys haven't already, to make sure you vote. We have 6 hours left for this. We are clinching it at a 40%. We were down yesterday, but the Safemoon army rallied, and obviously you can see that I liked it and I'd already voted. So if you haven't already, let's go ahead and clinch this. Head over. I will leave this URL on the description box below if you haven't already. If you are part of the Safemoon army, go ahead and vote Safemoon. It takes 2 seconds. This will get us more visibility, as it'll give us a banner ad for 7 days on the Watch Your Guru homepage. So more visibility, more exposure is always a good thing for hashtag Team Safemoon. CEO John Coroni did tweet 2 things. One, yesterday he did tweet a happy 4th of July from the whole Safemoon team if you guys celebrate 4th of July in the US. And secondly, this is awesome right here. This was tweeted 2 hours ago. Safemoon will begin taking listing applications from other projects starting at the open beta stage of the Safemoon wallet. Final release will include Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Binance. So even though we don't like Binance, well, I'm not saying we don't like Binance, but obviously there's some friction going on there. We are still going to support their coin and more. Join the evolution, join the Safemoon army. So again, this is what I'm telling you guys, that Safemoon is always proactive with what they're trying to do. And this is now them saying, hey, if you want to be listed in our exchange, we're going to be taking applications now. So if you want to be a part of it with Doge, with Bitcoin, with Binance, I'm sure Ethereum, let us know now so we can list you guys on our Safemoon exchange. This is going to be huge. This is going to be exciting. I love seeing stuff like this because this is our future. Last but not least, what I want to go over is our COO, Jack Haynes, because he did release this tweet saying, someone very close to me gifted me this book recently and it's fantastic, so I'm recommending it to all of you. It's okay to dislike reading. I personally dislike reading, but I like reading things that I learn from. I don't read for fun, but I do read some things that are hidden gems, gold mines of wealth of information, and I feel like this is one of those books. Sometimes it can feel like going to the gym on a bad day, but once you read that first page, they always hook you. So this book is Atomic Habits, and what I did was I went ahead and ordered it. I believe it's coming today. If you guys want a copy of it, I'm going to link a copy of the book in the description below. If you guys want to try and read it with me, maybe we can discuss it. I don't know how we'd really do this, but if you dislike reading such as I do, it makes it easier when other people are reading it as well. But as you guys already know, this channel blew up because of Safemoon, but in the future, I do have plans for this channel to teach you guys. I'm an entrepreneur and a investor, and so I would love to teach you guys personal finance and stuff like that. So this book really scratches that itch, that passion of mine to really break away from corporate America, break away from the corporate chains, and kind of do your own thing. I really believe that we are meant to do more in this planet than work 40 hours for a company. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below, as it does help this video find itself to other viewers such as yourselves. Again, with Binance and Safemoon, I'm not sure what's going on there, but it's almost a 2-3 day ongoing thing now with Safemoon and Binance publicly kind of just butting heads on Twitter. So we'll kind of just let them hash it out. Obviously, we already know that Safemoon and Papa had announced that they are working on their own blockchain, so it is just a matter of time, guys, till we kind of just break away from Binance onto our own blockchain, where we will have our own versions of smart contracts and we're just going to take over the world. I hope you guys are excited for that. Again, don't let all the FUD, don't get all the negativity get you guys all wound up, get you guys all caught up. Don't pay attention to the price. Just think of it as, you guys already know, that the most difficult thing about covering Safemoon news every single day is I have to go over the price fluctuations. But just remember that this thing is for the long haul. We are in it for the long run. We already are aware, the true Safemoon holders are aware that this thing is a long-term project. We are fully aware and conscious of how long other cryptos took to mature. Binance, again, guys, just remember Binance was on the same spot as Safemoon. They started on the Ethereum blockchain as a token, said, forget this, we don't need to be on Ethereum's blockchain. Let's start our own blockchain. Created it. Thus, they have now their own Binance coin and their own Binance smart chain. And Safemoon's doing the same thing. And Safemoon doesn't, I can see, we can all see publicly that Safemoon has kind of had it with Binance. They've kind of just been done with it. If they are almost going toe to toe with them publicly on Twitter, you can tell that they've had it. And so I'm just really glad that Safemoon is a proactive team, and they saw that Binance is hindering us from growth. They are stunting our growth, and so they said, forget this, let's be proactive, let's work on our own blockchain, let's get off of Binance and do our own thing. And the possibilities are endless, and I hope everyone is just as excited about it as I am, because I can see the potential. We are still truly early adopters. We're 4 months in. I consider myself both an investor and a venture capital for Safemoon, because we're investing our own money, helping it propel forward. We are at the early forefront of this project, and as you saw a couple videos ago, CEO John Caroni did state, hey, one, companies that plan to do rug pulls do not land themselves in front of governments and in front of countries. And two, they wholeheartedly believe that the project they're working on will change the game forever. And so that just ignites a fire and a passion in my veins, and I just can't help but be excited. And that's why I use you guys as a platform to kind of vent it out and kind of get excited about it, so that my girlfriend doesn't get overwhelmed every single time I talk to her about Safemoon. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. I hope you guys truly did enjoy that video. Again, if you haven't already, just consider hitting that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next Safemoon video.